All right, folks, let's dive into the world of making money online. Today, I'm going to share with you 32 websites that can help you earn some extra cash from the comfort of your own home. First up, we have freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, where you can offer your skills and services to clients worldwide. Whether you're a writer, designer, or programmer, there's something for everyone. If you're into selling products, websites like Etsy and eBay are great options. You can create your own online store and reach a global audience with just a few clicks. For those who prefer taking surveys or completing tasks, sites like Swagbucks and Amazon Mechanical Turk offer opportunities to earn money in your spare time. If you're a content creator, platforms like YouTube and Twitch allow you to monetize your videos and live streams through ads, sponsorships, and donations. Don't forget about affiliate marketing. Websites like Amazon Associates and Share a Sale let you earn commissions by promoting products and services. Looking to rent out your space or car? Airbnb and Turo are popular platforms that can help you make money by sharing what you have. For the crafty individuals, consider selling your handmade goods on platforms like Handmade at Amazon or Artfire. If you have a knack for teaching, websites like VIP Kid and Chegg Tutors offer opportunities to tutor students online and earn a decent income. For the fashionistas out there, Poshmark and ThreadUp are great places to sell your pre-loved clothes and accessories. And let's not forget about stock photography. Sites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to sell your photos and earn royalties. In the world of online tutoring, websites like italki and Verbling connect language learners with tutors for virtual lessons. If you're a pet lover, consider signing up as a pet sitter on Rover or Wag to earn money by taking care of furry friends. For the gamers, platforms like Steam and Roblox offer opportunities to make money through game development and virtual goods. And last but not least, consider starting your own blog or website to monetize through ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. So there you have it, folks. 32 websites to help you make money online. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra cash or start a new career, there's something for everyone in the digital world. Happy earning. All right. So you're looking to make some extra cash by taking online surveys, huh? Well, you're in luck because today I've got the lowdown on 20 websites where you can do just that. Let's dive in. First up, we have Swagbucks, a popular platform that rewards you for completing surveys, watching videos, and even shopping online. Then there's Survey Junkie, known for its user-friendly interface and high-paying surveys. If you're into mobile apps, check out Taluna or Pinecone Research. These apps offer a seamless survey-taking experience right from your phone. For those who prefer a more interactive approach, try out Vindale Research or Inbox Dollars. These sites not only offer surveys but also paid product testing opportunities. Looking for something more specialized? Consider sites like User Testing for website testing surveys or Mindswarms for video surveys that pay well. If you're a fan of gift cards, sites like MyPoints and Prize Rebel allow you to earn rewards that can be redeemed for gift cards from your favorite retailers. Feeling charitable? Sign up for Survey Savvy and donate your earnings to charity while also earning cash for yourself. And let's not forget about prolific survey sites like Survey Club and Survey Voices, which offer a wide range of survey opportunities for all types of interests. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to making money through online surveys. So, sign up for multiple sites.
I've compiled a list of 25 websites where you can showcase your writing skills and earn some serious moolah. Let's dive right in. First up, we have Upwork, a popular platform where you can find a wide range of ghostwriting gigs. Whether it's blog posts, articles, or ebooks, there's something for everyone here. Next, we have freelancer.com, another great site to connect with clients looking for talented ghostwriters. With a variety of projects available, you can pick and choose what suits your expertise. If you're into academic writing, websites like Essay Pro and Essay Shark offer opportunities to work on essays, research papers, and more. Just make sure to deliver top-notch quality. For those interested in fiction writing, Wattpad is a fantastic platform to showcase your storytelling skills. Who knows, you might even attract a book deal. If you're a pro at crafting marketing copy, consider checking out Fiverr or People Per Hour. These sites are perfect for freelancers looking to offer their services to businesses in need of compelling content. For those who prefer a more structured approach, TextBroker and iWriter are excellent choices. You can browse through available assignments and get paid for each completed task. Looking to break into the world of self-publishing? Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is the place to be. You can write and publish your own ebooks and earn royalties on every sale. If you're a fan of listicles and viral content, Listverse might be right up your alley. They pay for well-researched and engaging articles on a variety of topics. And let's not forget about Medium, a platform where you can share your thoughts and stories with a wide audience. Who knows, your next viral post could be just around the corner. So there you have it, 25 websites where you can make money online through ghostwriting. With dedication, creativity, and a passion for writing, the possibilities are endless. Happy writing and happy earning.